Hey family, thanks for joining us. Today I'm gonna crash a barbecue in East Orange, New Jersey, man. And this cat has some sauce. It was absolutely delicious, man. The food was awesome. Then we're gonna go to New York and check out my daughter Zoe perform. Let's go. What's going on, family? I'm out here in East Orange. I'm about to go crash a backyard party. And here's the secret, man. Even when you crashing, you gotta bring some stuff from Aldi's, man. Oh, I hear some music, y'all, already. What up, fam? You gotta tell everybody what up, fam. That's a jerk chicken with the jerk. That's a jerk sauce? No. Okay, that's yours, right? That's Uncle Eddie's sauce. There it is, y'all, right there. Look. Yo, I'm being served by Uncle Eddie. Y'all thought this was a game? Oh, wow. That sauce is the bomb, man. Uncle Eddie. Oh. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's delicious. That's good. Look at my fingers. You know I'm gonna lick those later. It's finger licking good, baby. Yo, that was delicious, man. That was delicious. I want more. Got those ribs right there, got those ribs. Got that rib right there. Y'all thought this was a game. They're not hot, but they're delicious.
It was a 10 out of 10 with his barbecue sauce, Eddie's barbecue sauce, and a little bit of ketchup.
It was excellent. Possibly one of the best burgers I've ever had in my life.
Hi, I'm Kim. I just had one of the burgers made by Ed. It was real meat put together, not a frozen patty. It was infused with Ed's wonderful sauce. It had pickles on it, some onions, lettuce, and cheese on a sweet roll. It was the best burger I think I've ever had.
It was the most seasonal burger I ever tasted. Flavors compacted in, very flavorful, man. It was very good. I recommend, man. When more of them done, I'm gonna go back and get another one.
1 out of 10.
I ain't gonna lie, I think it was 11, man.
What inspires you to cook?
Being with family, people's results, getting the results from individuals. This right here, just family, intimate, just being back here, enjoying ourselves, relaxing, no pressure. I put the pressure on myself when I go out to the events and go out and share the sauce with individuals that don't know us, right? Family will tell you anything you want to hear. But when you're out there in the streets, and the festivals, and the farmers markets, that's when you get your real results. And we fare well, we do well, so I enjoy myself. The sauce is a sweet heat sauce. We have fared well. It actually started right here in this backyard where individuals say, hey, you gotta do something with that sauce. We put it together, we have it marketing. We had a marketing plan, we went through production, everything is in place. We have a 2-year shelf life on the sauce. We just had a competition where we placed 17th out of 541 different competitors.
Yo, we just caught the train over to New York. Zach, we're leaving. About to get off. We're getting off, man. In Nueva York. Got Bashir about to start his new YouTube channel. There they go, y'all. They made it to New York.
Free life card.
You got the YouTube phenomenons right there. What's going on, fam? We are in Nueva York. You know, I was at the cookout earlier. I had some ribs and I had some chicken. Now we about to go see Zoe perform. And it's a lot going on out here, man. Uh-oh, it's got the DJ out there spinning? What? Let's go.
Oh, there's the edge, right?
That's the edge, yep. It's over there. It's in the middle, in between those two buildings. You see it?
Oh.
Yeah, in between. Oh, every day I'm hustling. Oh, he hustling. Yo, these jokers be real bright. You got the hot dogs there. They be real. I love the chicken, the pretzel one day. Yo, Zach's a content creator now, y'all. Check him out. Check him out on his page. We're gonna put his YouTube page right there.
Shout out.
I am kind of hungry. You got the New Yorker right there. I should have yelled, be careful, ice might get you, bruh. Be careful. Ice is lurking. Ice is lurking, man. Don't be blowing at me. I'm only serious. I mean, I'm just kidding. I just want to get something like some peanut. Oh, there they go right there, y'all. Oh, $4? $4. I'd rather get the cashews for $3.99. Look at this though. This is not bad. So now we in New York. How you doing? Huh?
I said I need to get one of those.
You gotta get one.
What's up, y'all?
GoPro 13. What you getting?
I'm just getting my ice.
What's she putting in that ice, y'all? What's she
I'm at
putting in there?
work.
Oh, she working. All right, y'all. Give it to her. She just need
Right.
ice for us. What you got, a soda or something?
Yeah, and I like eating ice.
Oh, okay. Have a
Have a
beautiful
good
day.
night.
All right, take it easy.
Thank you.
Check him out, y'all. He's got his new YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, go check him out. We'll put the name up right here.
I'm gonna post a video like tonight.
They can't see you, man. You gotta come around.
Post a video tonight.
We're here in New York to see Zoe perform. I needed a snack. Now I'm thirsty. Look, y'all thought this was a game. They got the trash can on lock. You can't put nothing in it, and you can't take it away.
That's smart. I had the owner of the trash can was right next to us looking at us.
He said the owner was watching us, y'all. They thought we was squatting on their trash cans. Oh, there you go. Bread. So they wouldn't put that in the trash. Somebody may want that. For real, that's probably why they put it there. All right, y'all, we about to go down this street.
I'm Peter.
I'm Jillian. I'm Genevieve.
I'm Zoe.
I'm Sophia.
And we're Little Party.
Yeah!
Hi, contestant number 3. So,
What was the question again?
oh, that's right. I should say that again. Where would you take Sage on your first date?
On our first date, I take Sage to the arcade to free all my brothers and sisters. Sage, are you rich? Do you have money? I don't know if I was supposed to ask you questions.